Hello friends, welcome to Smart Commerce class. In this video, I'm going to talk about comparative statement of profit and loss account. Statement of profit and loss or income statement. It is a statement which shows profit earned or loss incurred during the year. Profit or loss which is the result of income and expenditures relationship. But here, comparative statement of profit and loss shows the operating results for more than one accounting period. Okay, operating results, it means profit or loss for more than one accounting period, so that changes in absolute amount, change and percentage change may be known. It is a type of horizontal analysis. In horizontal analysis, we place items side by side, okay, so that we can know the changes. Okay, it means how much income is increased and how much expenditures are reduced or increased, and the percentage increase or decrease we can find out through this comparative statement of profit and loss account. Now, moving to next slide, objectives. The first objective is to analyze the income and expenditure of 2 or more years. Statement of profit and loss account includes income and expenditures. So in comparative statement, we can analyze those income and expenditures for of 2 or more years. The second objective, to measure the increase or decrease in income and expenditure, as well as in percentage, in terms of rupees and as in terms of percentage. How? I told you it is horizontal analysis. Amounts are going to be written side by side. So we can find out the changes of those items in terms of rupees and in terms of percentage. Third objective, to study the effect of business operations of last year on current year's performance, current year's operation. So यहाँ पर हम थ्रू कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पीएल लास्ट ईयर की जो भी ऑपरेशंस थे उनका इफेक्ट करंट ईयर के ऑपरेशन पर क्या है ये फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, format. So if you see the format, the columns it contains is similar to comparative balance sheet. 6 column we prepared in comparative balance sheet: particulars, note number, figures for previous year, figures for current year, absolute change and percentage change. Okay, 6 columns, same in comparative statement of PL account. If you see the particular items, it is changed. Why? Because it is statement of PL, it is not balance sheet. So item will be different from balance sheet. So इसमें क्या क्या items हैं? Revenues, expenses, profit before tax, less tax and profit after tax. These are the major headings जो कि हमें स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पीएल में शो करना है. नाउ रेवेन्यूज आर ऑफ 2 टाइप: रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन जो कि सेल्स होता है, अदर इनकम, जितनी हमारी अदर इनकम्स हैं वो सारी एक्सेप्ट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन वी इंक्लूड इन अदर इनकम, एंड टोटल रेवेन्यू मीन्स रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस प्लस अदर इनकम. ओके, सो ये पार्ट है हमारा फर्स्ट रेवेन्यू का. The second part is of course for expenses: cost of material consumed, stock in trade, changes in inventories, employee benefit expenses, finance cost, depreciation and other expenses. Now total expenses. So after writing total revenue and after finding out total expenses, the result means the result of operation is what? It is profit. But here two types of profit we are going to write. First, profit before tax, and next, profit after tax. So what is profit before tax? It is profit before tax is total revenue minus total expenses. Okay, when revenues exceeds expenses, we get profit. But if expenses are more than revenue, it is loss. So if you get loss, we show the item of profit before tax in bracket. Okay, bracket shows, bracket denotes negative item, means loss. So after writing profit before tax, next is less income tax. Income tax may be given in the question in form of percentage, say 20%, 30%, or it may be 50%. So whatever percentage is given in the question, you find out those percentage on this profit before tax. Suppose you get profit before tax as 10 lakh rupees. Okay. So tax rate, if tax rate is 50%, we are taking 50% as tax. So tax becomes 5 lakh. So it is less tax, which is 5 lakh, and after deducting 5 lakh, you will get profit after tax 5 lakh. Clear? So this is how you will write profit before tax and less tax and profit after tax. So in this format, you have to remember revenue, the major headings. ये major headings क्या है? Revenue है, total revenue, expenses, total expenses, profit before tax, less tax, and profit after tax. Now moving to next slide. Illustration. One illustration I have taken here. If you see in this illustration, only 3 items are given: revenue from operation, other income, and expenses. Now, solution. Again, you need to prepare the format: particular, note number, previous year figure, current year figure, absolute change, and percentage change. Absolute change, the formula I have written here, current year minus previous year, and for percentage change, the formula for percentage change is given in next slide of explanation: absolute change divided by previous year into 100. So coming to solution, revenue from operation, we are I have written here, see, previous year figures. First we will write previous year figure, current year figure we will write. ओके, ध्यान देने का यहाँ पर क्या है कि हमारे क्वेश्चन में ऑलवेज करंट ईयर फिगर पहले और प्रीवियस ईयर फिगर बाद के कॉलम में दिया होता है. बट व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दिस कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट, वी नीड टू राइट प्रीवियस ईयर फिगर फर्स्ट and current year figure afterwards. So after writing these figures, we need to calculate absolute change. So this is current year minus previous year. 20 minus, so 20 minus 12, 8 lakhs, 12 minus 9, 3, 32 minus 21, 11, and so on. Okay, profit before tax तक हमें इसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सो फॉर्मेट मैंने पहले भी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन लिखना है, अदर इनकम लिखकर फिर टोटल रेवेन्यू, फिर एक्सपेंसेस, क्योंकि ओनली वन एक्सपेंस यहाँ पर दिया है तो डायरेक्ट टोटल रेवेन्यू से एक्सपेंस को माइनस करके प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स कैलकुलेट किया. टैक्स परसेंटेज क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है, ओके, इसलिए यहाँ पर टैक्स को नहीं लिया गया. और इस तरह से लिखने के बाद हमने चेंज कैलकुलेट किया. अब परसेंटेज चेंज का फॉर्मूला अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. तो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में अगर हम देखें तो ये रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन का चेंज था 8 लाख रुपीज़. ओके, सी, रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन का एब्सोल्यूट चेंज है 8 लाख और प्रीवियस ईयर फिगर है 12 लैक्स. सो मूविंग टू एक्सप्लेनेशन, 8 lakh divided by 12 lakh means change is 8, previous year 12, multiplied by 100, it comes 66.67%. See here in solution, it is 66.67%. Similarly, we will find out the percentage change for other items. Okay, so this is the end for this illustration. But suppose if tax is given in this question and it is 50%, we are taking tax rate as 50%. So 50% किसका कैलकुलेट करना है? प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स का. सो प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स 11 lakhs अगर गिवन है तो इसका 50% इट कम्स 5,50,000. ओके, सो आप ये 11 से 5,50,000 को जब माइनस करेंगे तो सेम अमाउंट 5,50,000 हमें प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स भी मिलेगा. तो ये हम क्वेश्चन आगे करते इफ टैक्स रेट इज गिवन. Same thing we can do for current year also, and we will find change of these two figures. Okay, of these two figures of tax. इस सपोज ये हमारा A है, ये B है. सो A माइनस B जो भी फिगर होता वो हमारा चेंज होता, परसेंटेज चेंज का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते और ये पूरा हमारा कंपैरेटिव स्टेटमेंट ऑफ PL यहाँ पर हो जाता. ओके, next one question I have taken in this slide for your practice. Do practice for the question, and that's it for this topic. Thank you and bye bye.